then depending on how I move my hands in the water, you look down from the sunlight and you can see all these energies, and it's freaking amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. So I think I'm going to leave it now. I'm going to go into the house, although I'd really like to stay here a little bit longer. Talk about maybe I can, I'm not sure if I can turn this around, but we have 17, 18, 19, and we have 10. What is the value of 10 in French? What is the value of 10 in English, right? I just didn't write this down. 10 equals to the number 39. It's the introduction to the non physical number or base of zero. Your base zero is equal to 64. Your base zero, right? That means 64 goes with blue. It goes with what is going to be the 24-hour day of the 10 creation, equaling to what is 34 and 14, and your communication. And this communication's going to end up showing up at the moon. That is going to be your T connection, your 48 and 20 connection. And I bring it up as your T connection. I'm going to see if I can explain this, if I can remember this at the same time, because we can't count to 100. You can't count to 100. You have to leave an area space that, let's say you're eating something, right? Never eat half. Always eat less than half. You two people always eat less than half, leaving a certain amount left over, right? Let's call that whatever you want to call it. And now if you're three people, you always have to leave a certain amount left over so that they both have less than 1/3. So you're going to have again a certain amount left over. I don't know what you call that. Another thing is the spot of T, the square in the apartment, the word seven, or right. I'm just trying to think. 1924 is 60 for French. In English, you have AI coming together. I think it's 58. In nine, in French is neuf, and it means nuality. So through the moon, AI bringing two worlds together. 19 AI bringing two worlds together, bringing birth together, coming into the ninth house. I and R, creating the house of bait. Don't forget 99 inverts to 66. Do not forget that. Just like the Earth, right, as 52, right? Earth is 52, can also be what is 55, and it's a sky pass, and 22 is for life. And ape, the continuation of ape is going to create a division between day and night. The 5 is going to create what is the sky pass, what is a cloud. Also at the same time, it's going to create electric company, because of the mathematics. 5 times 5, 5 plus 5 equals to 10, and equals to 25. 25 and 10 is 35, and that's the center of a cube. The sun is also a divided sun. Matter and energy, the letters, the 13, 1, 3, and 5 come together, matter and energy. The M and E reverse would be N and V, like Nevada. Something to do in Nevada. And why I say that is M is 13, E is 5, and in the game of pool, they make it perfect. They're both orange. They're both the orange ball. Orange is number 60, which is 5 by 12, equals to number 60. The elements, the memory, 512, 256. The elements and the zodiac sign, 12 by 5 is every 60 years, if I believe correctly. Every zodiac sign would have passed every element of the 5 elements, if I get that right. 19 is another number. 19 by 19 is 361. It moves 1 forward to 360 degrees, right? I think that's like 1%. I'm just trying to figure out what percentage of, anyways, let's leave that one out. Just a note before we end this video, thank you for joining me. If you can help out this channel, that would be greatly appreciated. I believe that once we learn the truth, and we learn the truth through what I believe is the games we play are fair, whether it's cards, blackjack, any casino game, any board game, just about something we can find from every aspect of life that tells us a story, etc. Knowing that the good Lord is with all of us, has never left us, and knowing that you and me have made the final decision and nobody else, until you and me get together and make choices for the goodness of everybody, unbiased choices, that we can understand that we can't choose for everybody, to understand that once we understand everything. It'll be easier for us to make choices of the truth. Peace and love.